Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to fix this error right here. This is a Cisco NPE Generation 2, a network processing engine, and is on the BXR 7200. It's a Cisco chassis, old unit, very old unit, but my customer wants me to fix it, and install an operating system, and I will show you why is the reason of this error right here. I have seen this error in all Cisco 6500, 7600 routing engine or supervisors, due to the issue with the battery, with that is a coin battery on the motherboard. And this battery, hold the configuration, basically, the boot variables. And when this battery goes bad, it doesn't say anything. That's why over here you see this message right here. So I will show you how to fix that issue. So for now we need to go into the configuration register and change a few options here. Yes, no, 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 no. At this point doesn't matter because there is no configuration. Change boot characteristics, yes. And right here we need to select the option number 1 because the default values are booting to the armor right there. So we need to tell the system, to try to find an operating system on boot flash. And the most important thing is boot the unit right now. So basically that's what it is. Option number 1, and then no, reset. And the problem with the memory right here with the storage devices is the memory on this on the MPE is very small. It's only 64 megabytes. That's why it's using a disk 2, which is a compact flash, and then basically you boot the MPE from there. So the most important thing right now is just to boot the unit, and after that we are going to change the boot variables on the MPE. I'll show you how to do that in a bit. So as you can see here, the unit just boot, and then let's make those changes into the boot variables. Okay, this is the operating system that the unit just boot. My customer, basically the most important is to boot the unit, but we are going to change that there. And this is the disk 2, which is the compact flash memory, and we are using this operating system to boot. Okay, and then show version. Let's see, this is the operating system on boot flash. We are going to change that. So basically we need to go to configuration mode, boot system, disk 2, and the operating system name here. Paste, enter, and I will change in the configuration register just in case. (2102), enter, exit. We need to save the changes. So basically show boot bar. There we go. So we need to reboot the unit. Reboot. And we need to interrupt the boot process because we need to change, or tell the this MPE to boot the system from the boot variable that we just changed. So reboot or reload. So in my terminal here I have minicon, so I need to press the sequence key to abort the boot process. So let's do that. Here is Control A C F, Control A C F. So right here we interrupt the boot process, with the break sequence right here. So we are now changing the configuration register, in order to boot the system from the boot button. So right here, where we are, this is the boot variable right here. So now we are going to configure conf register or conf reg. Yes. No. 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 Ignore system configuration information. No, because we already changed the boot variable. No. Change boot characteristics. Yes. And now we are selecting the option number 2 right here. This option right here, number 2. And enter. As you can see right here, but look at the change. Image specified by the boot system commands, which is, I already showed you that. This one right here. Used to change the configuration, no? Reset. And now the unit will boot. But we need to change the battery for sure, in order, for the memory to keep, or to store the boot variable. The boot variable on on the memory right there. So we need to change the battery, and I will show you what is the battery on the motherboard. So like I showed you, this is the NPE very old operating system. Cisco, they don't offer support anymore, but I do. I fix these issues. Customer want the service, and I will provide them the best that I can. So basically, this is the NPE right here, and the battery. The battery is right there. It's right there. So that is the problem with this particular unit. And like I said, I have been seeing this issue, and 6500 supervisor, 7600 chassis, and all the old Cisco equipment. So basically, let's check right now the unit boot from the operating system. And yes, look at that. Right here is booting from the Advanced Enterprise, which is the operating system that the customer wants. So basically, guys, this is how do you fix the issue. Replace the battery is one that very important. So now and right there we can go and run a few diagnostic commands. Enable job version. So this is the operating system right here, and then show inventory. So that's the routing engine and network processing engine generation 2. And this is the chassis right here, very old chassis, 2 power supply, and show EMB all, and show IP interface brief to check the Ethernet interface on the unit. Well, this is everything for today, guys. Thank you so much for watch the video, and if you like the video, please give me a like, share with your friends and co-workers, and subscribe to my channel, please. If you have any question, please let me know. Thank you so much, and have a great day. Thank you.